everyone, welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. Cancellation of coal allocation will not affect Goa. We will import coal for power generation if needed. CM says there won't be crisis. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan starts in Goa. Government offices and schools to get garbage bins by September end. We have to be garbage free by December 2015, says CM. Online water billing starts in South Goa. District to be covered in 2 months. North Goa in second phase. 10 MLD water project inauguration in October. After Goa Foundation, Sudeep Tamankar files case against Goa government in renewal of mining leases. Supreme Court to hear it on 13 October. High Court to hear the case later. Economic offence cell nabs member of a gang involved in property frauds. Gang sold properties by forging documents, impersonating owners. And Sena BJP Congress NCP alliance breaks in Maharashtra. All four parties prefer Ekla Chalo. Marathon talks over seat sharing fails. And now the news in detail. Cancellation of coal blocks will not affect Goa. If needed, government will import coal for power generation. Chief Minister cleared this to the media. Union government will frame a policy on coal block allocations within 6 months in accordance with Supreme Court directives. Union government will introduce amendments in the MMRD Act.
Supreme Court has termed 214 coal leases as illegal. These leases were allotted by Union government. This includes a block of Goa IDC2, which is almost gone now. The coal from this block was supposed to be provided to Chhattisgarh Power Developer. State was expecting power at cheaper rate from this coal block. CM Parrikar says, we will import coal.
काय फरक पडना आमकां एक पेट्रोल पंप बंद पडला तुझी गाडी बंद पडटा so if the coal block is not given I will import the coal if required but I don't think it will be required because central government is in the process of taking decision.
Parrikar says Union government had appealed the court to give a concrete verdict on coal allocations. Now, Supreme Court's judgment has made things easy for Union government as it can frame fresh policy for it.
Central government जे कितें मागलेले तें Supreme Courtan दिला. Central government कितें मागलेले give finality to the order, give decision. अजून पर्यंत असले मामले सगळे जे कोर्टांनी आसात ते सगळे 20-20 वर्सां 15-15 वर्सां कोर्टानूच आसा सो सुप्रीम कोर्टाक तांच्यान सांगलें तुमकां जाय तो निर्णय दिया पण फायनल दिया सो दॅट केस इज नाव डिस्पोज ऑफ विथ दॅट ऑर्डर. सेंट्रल कोर्ट इज इन द प्रोसेस ऑफ टेकिंग डिसिजन. लेट देम टेक डिसिजन. एका महिन्यान क्लियर जातलें.
Union government is about to amend MMRD Act, which will have corresponding effect on state mining.
कॉम्पिटिटिव्ह बिडिंग याच्या बाबतीत ते गोवा सरकार लागू जातं गोयच्या खाली कॉम्पिटिटिव्ह बिडिंग
implications are there.
कित्याक तुम्ही चिंता करता
Restricted coal.
Once they have cancelled, the Supreme Court role is over in that. Now let Government of India take appropriate decision and make necessary. ह्यो गजाली कितें necessary amendment हातून जर तूं कायद्यान केलें एक लायन घाली की गव्हर्मेंटाक कॉम्पिटिटिव्ह बिडिंग गरज ना विशय सोंपलो न्ही रे. सुप्रीम कोर्टान दिला जजमेंट बरोबर दिला 6 म्हयने ताणें टायम पिरियड दिला विथड्रॉ करपाक. ताच्या भितर सरकारान योग्य तो एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव्ह आनी इकॉनॉमीक निर्णय घेवंक जाय which should be fair and transparent. कितलो घेतलो की जालो.
Senior reporter Laukik Shilgar with video journalist Chetan Gawas for Prudent.
Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar launched online water billing on Thursday. Now, bills can be paid through credit card, debit card, e-banking and at the SBI branches. Right now, online water billing service will be limited for South Goa only and it will be covered within 2 months. Online water billing will begin in North Goa in phased manner once South Goa is completely covered.
एक गोष्ट हांवें सांगल्या ती येणाऱ्या 2-3 म्हयन्या भितर कोणाक पार्ट पेमेंट कोणाक एक्स्ट्रा पेमेंट करूंक जाय जाल्यार तें प्रोविजन दी म्हूण सांगलेलें आमकां. म्हणजे कोणाक क्रेडीट पेमेंट दवरपाचें आसा जाल्यार ताणें क्रेडीट पेमेंटूय हें करपाक हरकत ना पब्लीक सर्वीस म्हणून पयलो GPSC आनी दुसरें खऱ्या अर्थान लोकां पर्यंत वचणारें खातें म्हणून PWD पयलें. इलेक्ट्रिसिटीक आतां सांगलेलें आसा, तांचे काही प्रोसेस चालू आसा आनी म्हाका दिसता डिसेंबर पर्यंत 2-3 म्हत्वाची खातीं ही ऑनलायन जावपाक. तशेंच धरणी जें आशिल्लें पळय तें ऑनलायन आसा पेमेंट ऑलरेडी.
साउथ गोंयांत ऑनलायन पेमेंट करपा खातीर आज मुख्यमंत्र्याच्या हातान आमी सुरवात केल्ली आसा. येता त्या वर्सा भितर सबंद गोंयांत आमचे जे कस्टमर आसा तांकां ऑनलायन पेमेंट करपाचो हे बरे तरेन मेळटलो आनी सबंद गोंयांत आमी ते चालू करतले.
10 MLD water treatment plant at Verna will be commissioned on 2nd October. This project will solve the water crisis in and around Mormugaon, Sakware and Zuarinagar.
2 तारखेक 9:30 वेर्णा कुएले 10 MLD चो वॉटर फिल्टर प्लांट बसयल्लो आसा. तो त्या दिसा लोकार्पण जातलो. म्हणजे बेसिकली इट वील सप्लाय टू जुवारीनगर एंड साकवाळ कुठ्ठाळे बी त्या एरियेक सप्लाय. सो जे पळय उदक हाका वता वास्कोक ते वास्कोक वचपाक मेकळे जातले, वाटेर बायफर्केट जावचें ना.
Senior reporter Lokik Shilkar with video journalist Chetan Gawas for Prudent.
Goa has begun Prime Minister's dream project Swachh Bharat Abhiyan well in advance, titled Nital Goy. CM said that Swachh Bharat campaign will pick up momentum on 2nd October. Parrikar said Goa has to be garbage-free by December 2015. Government offices and schools will be provided 4 bins of different colours for garbage disposal. Some people dump garbage in Mandavi River, hence steel fencing would be done from both the sides. 4-laning of NH4A will begin from 29 September.
Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, pet project of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, gets a kickstart in Goa with the name Nital Goy. In Panji, CM Parrikar personally visited Junta House, took a broom in his hand and started cleaning the stairs and floors. CM said Goa has to complete the target of being garbage-free by 2015 December or before.
19 डिसेंबर 2015 पर्यंत गोय कचरा मुक्त जावंक जाय, क्लीन. सगळ्या शाळांनी, सगळ्या सरकारी ऑफिसांनी 4 बीन सिस्टीम आमी इम्प्लिमेंट करतले, ज्यात व्हरतात आनी मांडोवन उडयता. सगळ्या ब्रिजांक सायडीक नेटिंग करा. 2 ऑक्टोबराकू मासिव सगळ्या गोंयच्या लोकांक सहभागी करून 29 तारखेक 9:30 वरांचेर 4-laning ऑफ नॅशनल हायवे 4A बिगिन्स फ्रॉम कसले जंक्शन म्हणटा मेर्शी जंक्शन.
At Madgaon, Minister Avertan Furtado and ex-MLA Damu Naik led the front for Swachh Bharat Abhiyan with brooms, garbage bins and crowd of participants.
So it is not only that we should do all the state work, but I would like to tell the public also to help us in doing.
ही कॅम्पेन आयच्यान सुरू जाल्या ती 23 ऑक्टोबर पर्यंत वतली. आमी मातशे बँड जावन 4 जाण जर काडले जाल्यार बाकीचे 40 लोक आमकां हातभार लायतले.
Sangye and Kurchade MLAs too were active. They led the cleaning drive with their supporters at schools and public places.
आज सांगे प्रायमरी हेल्थ सेंटराच्या आजूबाजूचो परिसर जो आसा, मोठी मोठी झाडां आशिल्लीं ती सगळी मारली आमी. म्हणजे मोठी म्हणजेच सामकी हॉस्पिटलांच्या धर्नांतल्यान भितर सरतालीं. वो लोकांक एक सोचणी दिवपाक जाय की कचरो आसा तो व्हरपाक येता तेन्ना तुमी भायर कित्याक उडोवपाक जाय. तेन्ना हो जो प्रायम मिनिस्टरान जे आज आयच्यान 1 म्हयनो चालू दवरपाचें केलां, म्हाका एक बरें आसा.
Mormugaon MLA and Minister Milind Naik said that though the campaign actually begins from October 2nd, they have started it on token basis following CM's directives. Vasco MLA Carlos Almeida also came forward with his supporters.
काल म्हाका रात्री 7 सीएमान आपोवन हाडलो, सगळे मिनिस्टरांक आपयले, सगळ्यांक डायरेक्शन दिला. एक्चुअली त्याचे प्रॉपर प्लॅनिंग 2 तारखेक जातले. मुरमुगांव म्युनिसिपल काउन्सिलान अशें डिसिजन घेतला की सगळ्यांक डस्टबीन दिला आणि हाऊस टू हाऊस, डोर टू डोर कलेक्शन तयारी चालू केल्या.
Everywhere, the program worked out smoothly, except some war of words in Ponda, which since past many days has been witnessing spilling of beans between the local MLA and the council.
कोऑर्डिनेशन न्ही, म्हाका दिसता खंय तरी म्हाजे पर्सनल म्हाजेर आनी स्पिनाचेर पर्सनल हें आसा, एनिमिटी आसा. चूक जाली, आमची लोकां कडेन क्षमा मागता हांव की असल्या कावन्सिलरांक आमी निवडून दिल्या म्हणून. साहेब
Bureau Report, Prudent.
India's Mars orbiter mission Mangalyaan has released the first picture of the red planet after successfully entering into the Martian orbit on Wednesday. The official Twitter handle of ISRO's Mars orbiter uploaded a picture of a neighboring red planet with the caption, "The view is nice up here," on Thursday. The spacecraft is now circling Mars in an orbit whose nearest point to the planet is at 421.7 kilometers. In the coming weeks, the spacecraft will be thoroughly tested in the Mars orbit with a subsequent systematic observation of the red planet using its 5 scientific instruments would begin. It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.